we are going to study about merge sort algorithm. First we know what is inverse sorting. Sorting refers for arranging elements in an either ascending or descending order. Various sorting algorithms are available for sorting, such as insertion, selection and bubble sort. These algorithms can have the quadratic time algorithms and they have worst case performance. So we need a faster comparison based algorithm with time complexity order of n log n. Such algorithms are merge sort and quick sort. What is merge sort? In merge sort algorithm, we are applying the approach which is called the divide and conquer approach. Problem: given n elements and sorting these elements into non-decreasing order, we using the approach is divide and conquer approach. If n equal to 1, that is the array contain only one single element, which this array is already sorted. If more than one element in an array, we can partition the elements of the array into two sub collections and then sorting these collections and combine this into a single sorted list. How do we partition the array? Here we can give the three options for partitioning the array. First partitioning, we have using the two sets which is referred as set A and set B. The set A contain the first n minus 1 elements and the last element which is put in the set B. And then sorting the set A by using the partition scheme recursively, the set B already be sorted, and then combine the set A and B using the method insert of. This insert of method is same as the insertion sort, which will be leads to the recursive version of insertion sort, and we have need to number of comparisons is order of n squared. The best case for this comparison n minus 1. The second partitioning choice, here also we using the two sets B and A. We put the element with largest key is in B and remaining elements are kept in the set A. We can start the set A recursively and then combining the sorted set A and B and this appending B to the sorted A, using max_of function to find the largest element in the array. Here using the algorithm is selection sort algorithm, which selection sort algorithm is called recursively, and then using the bubbling process to find the largest element and then moving this largest element to the rightmost position, which is needing the number of comparisons order of n squared. Here the third choice given for the partitioning, which is the balanced partitioning algorithm. Here the set A gets n by 2 elements and B gets the rest half of the elements are stored in the set B, and then sorting A and B recursively, combine the sorted A and B using the process called merge. The merge is combines the two sorted list into the single list. Example for this partition, that is a balanced partition. The given array with the size is n equal to 8. We can divide the array into two subarrays n by 2. This is the given list. This list is divided into two subarrays, each subarray which contain the 4 elements. This process is repeatedly recursively doing when the array contains the single element. Here the each and every array contains the single elements, and then sort and combining these array. Likewise 4 and 10, which is combined to give the one subarray which is called the only 2 elements in the array. Likewise we can combining these arrays and do sorting. Finally the sorted array which contain the elements 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 10. The merge sort algorithm, which is recursively calling this merge sort algorithm, we can find the middle element and adding the first element and last element. It will be adding index of the first and last element adding and divided by 2. We can find the midpoint of the algorithm, and then this merge sort algorithm is called the recursively, and then using merge to sort and combine the array in two subarray to finally give the only one array which contains all the sorted elements. Complexity analysis for the merge sort algorithm. This merge sort algorithm, T of n equal to C1 if the array contain only one elements. The array contain more than one element, the recursion equation for this algorithm equal to 2T of n by 2 plus C2 of n. The total time needed for comparisons in T merge sort is order of n log n. Thank you.